Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to show you how to change text color in Adobe Express. Adjusting the color of your text can really enhance the visual impact of your project. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you have your project ready before you start changing text colors. Next, select the text you want to change the color of. Simply tap on the text box to bring up the editing options. Now look for the color option in editing toolbar. It is usually represented by a color palette icon or simply fill. Tap on it to access the color options. Here's where you can get creative. You can choose from a wide range of color to apply to your text. Simply select the color you want by clicking on custom and choosing the color you like. Before finalizing your color choices, take a moment to review how the text looks with the new color. This way you can make sure it complements your project perfectly. Once you're happy with the color, review your project to ensure everything looks just the way you want it to. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the text color in Adobe Express. That wraps up today's tutorial on changing text color in Adobe Express. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.